Hey guys, and welcome back. So I've been outside all day working tirelessly on this cold and windy day, but every once in a while the sun peeks out and it's pretty nice. But what we've actually done here is I got a really good deal on live strawberry plants through the mail. And so my husband Chris, who's off camera there, built me 3 raised beds. There's one here, one to your right, and one you can see in the background there. We built 4x8 beds because I managed to get 75 strawberry plants. I got 25 of 3 different kinds. One is a June bearing, one is an ever bearing, and one is a summer bearing. So the hope is that the June bearing will give us fruits in early spring. The ever bearing will give us fruits a little bit in spring and then some in summer and even into fall. And the summer bearing will give us summer fruit. So hopefully we'll have fruit the whole way through. So we're planting them in here. And what I did today was I took the tractor, and actually in the very back corner of our property, we have a sloping hill there that we've actually been digging out and using for dirt. So I went out, used the tractor, dug up a bunch of dirt to fill these 3 beds, and I ran to a garden center near me and I got some bulk leaf compost that they had at a really good price. And we also mixed that into the soil, so I'm hoping it's going to be a good soil combination. Right now it's a little wet, so it is sticking together, but it is more on the loamy side, which hopefully should be good for the strawberries. But I wanted to show you guys, I have already planted one bed. I planted the bed on that side. I don't know if you can see in the background, it's all wet because we watered it down. But I wanted to show you guys what the live plants and the bare root come in looking like. Son's yelling off camera over there. So it just came in a ball, basically, all rubber band together, and we have our little tag here. These are Seascape strawberries. I'm going to stick that in the corner so I remember which bed is which. I just take the rubber band off and pull these guys apart. Get it all the way off here. It's tangled in the roots. There we go. And they just pull apart into your little individual plants that are cut down with the stem there. And they were planting so just comes in roots, and we're burying these down in. And of what I was reading, I guess you don't want to bend the roots when they go in. You want to let them sink in nice and straight. And the trowel has actually been working perfectly for me to just dig in where I want it, wiggle back and forth a little bit. It leaves me a little slack. And then I can slide my roots down in and bury them in. Nice fibrous root on that one, and a little leaf on him. Sticking it down in there. And then you want to bury the roots completely, but I'm not covering the crown of the plant, which is basically where the plant connects to the roots. You don't want to bury that part, you just want to bring it right up to that area. There you go. And then I'm going to keep planting these guys all in here. I'm giving them 12 to 20 inches or so. Let the plants get big and give them space to make some new babies and really fill this bed up here. Hey guys, so just a quick video to show you what we're doing here today. I've got one more to plant, but I want to hurry up and get this done. I am also starving and I want to get inside and make dinner and all of that good stuff. But thanks for joining us on this quick video. If you liked it, please hit that like button below because it helps us out a ton. And always think about subscribing because we'll be sharing all the fun stuff that we're doing here all through the year. Otherwise, I appreciate all of your support. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day and your week. God bless, and bye-bye.